How to log in FNB Bank online banking app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the First National Bank or FNB application on your device, and if you do not have the FNB application on your device, then you can open your App Store or Play Store and search for FNB Bank and download the application from there easily. Once installed, open the app and you will see the login button. Tap on that and enter your username firstly and tap on the continue button, and if you do not remember your username, then you can tap on the forgot your username option and recover your username. Once you have entered the username, go ahead and enter the password, and with this you will be logged in to FNB Bank successfully. So this is how you can log into FNB Bank online banking. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.